I'm gonna start coughing in a few hours, but that's the point of this blend. It contains compounds like oregano, rosemary, cypress, and pine needle that work as natural agents to detoxify your lungs. Now that mucus that builds up and clogs up your lung, it works kind of like a filter. You toss it out every couple months when it gets too dirty or too clogged. Well, that's exactly what we need to do with that mucus, and this blend is gonna help with exactly that. So, take it in a form, super easy to use, just drop it in these capsules, swallow, and you can help get the gunk out. Try it out. I'll leave the link right here.